Thank you, moderator. I am Putugede Diatmika with my team. At this opportunity, I will present my research result with the title Analysis of Internal Business Plan Control at the Regional Water Utility Company in Gianyar-Jensi. Internal control is an entity which is built by the boards of commissioner, management, and other personnel in an entity, which is designed to provide adequate assurance to achieve an objective. Internal control is checking accuracy and overseeing financial reporting, management of asset, and organizational record. Organizations that have the authority and operating efficiency. As internal control is expected to provide reasonable assurance that rules and procedures are followed to achieve company goal. Control in a company is to prevent unnecessary work, waste in every effort, and test may inefficiency used to resources. The main objective of this internal control structure can be fulfilled by good control, with good accounting control and administrative control. Business plans are also very much needed as a guide in the preparation and control of operational work plan and annual budget. With a good and integrated business plan, it is hoped that the operation of a regional public company for the next 5 years can achieve the desired goal while still paying attention to the principle of business going concern. The business plan is a guideline for company development that is drawn up for a period of 5 years, which is prepared by taking into account the condition, potential, opportunity, and obstacles faced by the company as well as the dynamic of business development in this environment. The business plan contains the strategy and program needed to realize the company main vision and mission, which are determined by taking into account the internal condition and dynamic piece as well as the competencies, capacities, and resources of the regional public company at ranking Tirta Sanjivani Gianyar-Jensi. In the financial aspect, a reliable business strategy is needed as an effort to increase income by allocating resources effectively. Besides that, a shaping strategy is also needed as a form of efficiency in operating expense in order to realize in an increase in operating profit, which is the hope in the financial aspect. The increase in the service aspect is realized by improving the promotion and socialization strategies that are more attractive in order to increase the number of new customers and the number of water users of the local public company Tirta Sanjivani Drinking Water Gianyar-Jensi. In the operational aspect, the management of source and production installation is optimized to increase the productivity of the installation as well as to make periodic effort to reduce the level of water loss, non-revenue water. In addition, the selection of prioritization scale district meter area and optimization of procedure for handling physical and non-physical water loss are continuously improved. Other steps taken to improve the financial and operational aspect are by number 1, to evaluate and reformulate business strategies that are more effective in optimizing the use of resources to increase revenue. Number 2, making a comprehensive business plan to realize drinking water service in strategy instead according to the available resources. Number 3, effort to mitigate the risk of cessation of production due to farm failure through careful planning effort regarding backup farm. Number 4, plan and pedo and depot to file storage and treatment water production installation. Number 5, carry out a more in-depth analysis of the distribution system or reservoir and distribution 5 needed and identify system condition and plan or budget for necessary refill. And number 6, making strategic planning and implementing the process stage of applying new tariff to minimize the difference between the selling price and the production price per cubic for water sold to customer. Thank you for your attention and cooperation.